Dia Díobh, agus fáilte go Coláiste Rónain. Hello everybody and welcome to St. Ronan's College. Today we're going to learn about some common greetings in Irish. The Irish word for greetings is Beannachtaí. Okay, let's get started. Open your booklets now to the page called Beannachtaí agus Frasí Úsáideacha. That means greetings and useful phrases. It's time to begin. A really interesting fact about greetings in Irish is that many of them are also blessings. So for example, when you say Dia Ditch for hello, it actually means God be with you. And when somebody responds by saying Dia is Muiriditch, they are saying God and Mary be with you. If you actually look a little further down your page, you will see that to say goodbye to somebody in Irish, you say Slán leat to a person leaving. This actually means safety go with you. The response, which is Slán agat, to the person who is staying, means safety stay with you. An interesting little fact. Now, if you have a quick look at the words that I've underlined here, I've underlined 3 words. The word Díobh, in Dia Díobh a Chalíní, the word live, in Slán live a Chalíní, and the word roimh, in Fáilte roimh. Can you guess what's different about these words? I'll tell you. These words are used when you're talking to more than one person. So if I met one of you on the corridor, I might say Dia Ditch. If I met more than one person on the corridor, I would say Dia Díobh. The same goes if I was saying goodbye to one person. I would either say Slán leat or Slán agat. However, if I was saying goodbye to a group, I would say Slán live. Fáilte roimh means welcome when you're speaking to one person. But again, if I was speaking to a group of people or more than one person, I would say Fáilte roimh.